Hi students, complex number exercise 2.2. First we are going to see rectangular form of a complex number. Rectangular form of the complex number means a complex number is of the form x plus iy, where x and y are real numbers. X is called a real part and y is called a imaginary part of the complex number. Okay, x plus iy, x is a real part and y is a imaginary part of the complex number. See that one, x equal to 0, the complex number is said to be purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means x equal to 0 means z equal to iy. Z equal to iy means only imaginary part, that is a purely imaginary. If y equal to 0, the complex number is said to be real. Real means z equal to x. Y equal to 0 means z equal to x. A real part only. Then the complex number is said to be real. Okay. Next definition. Two complex number z1 equal to x1 plus iy1. x2 equal to z2 equal to x2 plus iy2 are said to be equal. Two complex numbers are equal if and only if real part of z1 equal to real part of z2 and imaginary part of z1 equal to imaginary part of z2, that is x1 equal to x2 and y1 equal to y2. Okay, understand? Next we are going to see the organ plane. Organ plane means the complex number z equal to x plus iy can be written as in ordered pairs. Ordered pairs x comma y. See that one, 3 comma 8i. 3 comma 8i can be written as 3 comma minus 8. This is a point. 6 means no imaginary part, that is 6 comma 0. Minus 4i means no real part, then 0 comma minus 4. Okay. Now see that one. This one is a organ plane, real axis. So one is a imaginary axis. Now I will take z equal to alpha plus I beta. Alpha is a real value and beta is a imaginary value. Okay, that is so one is a alpha plus I beta, the complex number is a point, and a complex number can be viewed as either a point in R square or a vector in the organ plane. Listen, vector means so vector means magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction, that is alpha plus I beta, and the complex number by a position vector from the origin. Position vector from the origin to the point. From the origin to the point we get vector. Okay, but that one is a direction. But the complex number is a vector. Complex number also is a vector. Next, addition of a complex number. Next we are going to see addition of the complex number. z1 equal to x1 plus iy1, z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. Now sum of the complex number z1 plus z2 equal to, add the real part x1 plus x2 plus I y1 plus y2. Okay. Next, similarly subtraction of the complex number z1 minus z2 equal to, subtract the real part plus I into subtract the imaginary part. Okay, and multiplication of the complex number. Multiplication of the complex number means z1 into z2. Up x1 plus iy1, x2 plus iy2. Just multiply in algebraic method x1, x2. Here I x1, y2. Next I y1, x2. I squared y1, y2. Okay, first write x1, x2. Here I squared value minus 1. Minus 1 means minus y1, y2. Plus I common taken out, x1, y2 plus x2, y1. Okay, but z1, z2 equal to, the formula is x1, x2 minus y1, y2 plus I into x1, y2 plus x2, y1. Okay, this one is a one formula type. And another one is a multiplication of a complex number z by I. Now z equal to x plus iy, I is equal to I into x plus yy, multiply, we get minus y plus ix. See the organ diagram. I will take, this one is a z. Okay, this one is a z Now this one multiplied by I, that is a complex number Iz is the rotation of Z. Complex number Iz is the rotation of Z by 90 degree. By 90 degree in the counterclockwise direction. And similarly, Iz multiplied by I, that is I squared Z is the rotation of Iz by 90 degree in the counterclockwise direction, and similarly so on. Okay, that means multiplication of complex number Z by I successfully gives 90 degree counterclockwise rotation about the origin. Okay, understand or not? Next we are going to see exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2, for sum, evaluate the following. If Z equal to 5 minus 2i, W equal to minus 1 plus 3i. 6 sums given. Okay, listen. Exercise 2.2, evaluate the following. If Z equal to 5 minus 2i, W equal to minus 1 plus 3i, Z plus W first. Z plus W means, that is 5 minus 2i, Z plus W minus 1 plus 3i. That is 5 minus 1, 4, and minus 2i plus 3i. That is a plus I. Next is second sum, Z minus I W value. Now 5 minus 2i multiplied by minus I, that is plus I. This one is multiplied by, that is minus 3i square. Multiplied by this one is minus 3i square. That is 5 minus 2i plus I minus I. Here one is there, and here I squared value minus 1. Minus 1 means multiplied by minus plus 3. That is 5 plus 3, 8 minus I. 8 minus I. Okay. Next, third sum, 2z plus 3w. Z multiplied by 2, W multiplied by 3. Okay, we get 10 minus 4i. Here multiply minus 3 plus 9i. 10 minus 3, 7. Here, that is minus 4i plus 9i. What is the value? That is a 5i. Okay. Next, ZW. ZW means Z 5 minus 2i, W minus 1 plus 3i. Okay. Now, just algebraic method. This one is minus 5. Next, my plus 15i. Next, minus 2i minus 1 plus 2i. Next, minus 2i plus 3i minus 6i square. Minus 5, 15i plus 2i, 17i. Next is minus 6 into I squared value minus 1 multiply 6. Minus 5 plus 6 minus plus 1 plus 17i. Get the answer. Next, sixth sum, Z plus W whole square. That is a Z value 5 minus 2i plus minus 1 plus 3i whole square. Now simplify inside 5 minus 1. That is minus 2i plus 3i. Okay, whole square. See that one? 4 plus I whole square we get. Up A plus B whole square formula. Up 4 square 16. Next 2AB, 2 into 4 into I, 8i. I squared minus 1. 16 minus 1, 15 plus 8i. Get the answer. Next, Z squared plus 2ZW plus W squared. Z squared 5 minus 2i whole square plus 2 into Z value 5 minus 2i, W value minus 1 plus 3i plus W square minus 1 plus 3i whole square. Okay. Now 25 A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square value, what's the value? 25 A square and 2AB. 2 into 5 into 2 minus 20i. 2i whole square, that is a 4i square. At the next 2 multiplied by 5, we get the answer. And multiplied by minus 2i, we get the answer. Here A minus B whole square, so 1, 2ab. 2ab means minus 6i, 3i whole square, that is 9i square. Okay, here I squared value minus 1, that is minus 4. Next, here 15i plus 2i, 17i. Here I squared value minus 1 plus 6. Here also I squared value minus 1 minus 9. And simplify 25 minus 4, 21 minus 20i plus 2 into simplify 1 plus 17i, simplify minus 8 minus 6i. Now collect the real part plus I into imaginary parts. Simplify, we get 15 plus 2i. 15 plus 8i. Understand or not? Next, see the second sum. Given the complex number z equal to 2 plus 3i. Represent the complex number in organ diagram z, iz and z plus iz. See that one. Z 2 plus 3i. Iz means multiplied by I. That means 2i, 3i squared, we get minus 3 plus 2i. And z plus iz, z plus I into z multiply. We get minus 1 plus 5i. Okay. Now see the organ diagram, real axis, imaginary axis. First mark the points. 2 plus 3i means 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3. So 2 plus 3i. And draw one vector. And iz means minus 3 plus 2i. Minus 3 comma 2. Minus 3 comma 2. Draw one vector. And z plus iz minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 comma 5. And vector. So complex number as vectors. Complex number as vectors. Second part z I minus iz and z minus iz. Okay, z minus iz multiplied by minus I, we get 3 minus 2i. Next, z minus iz, z minus I multiply, simplify, we get 5 plus I. And again draw one organ diagram, real axis, imaginary axis. First point 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, mark the point, draw one vector. And second point 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 2, mark the point, draw one vector. And 5 plus I, mark the point, draw one vector. That is a complex number as vectors. Okay. Third sum, see the third sum. Find the values of the real numbers x and y. If the complex numbers, two complex numbers given or equal also given, two complex numbers are equal, we want to find x and y. Okay, listen, given the two complex numbers are equal. Okay, now just to simplify, 3x minus ix. Here minus and y, minus y multiplied by 2, that is minus 2y, and minus y multiplied by minus I, that is iy. Here write this equal to, here also 2x, that is minus y, here 2iy, 3 plus 2i. Okay, now in the LHS, take the real part, 3x minus 2y plus 5, write this, plus I into imaginary part, minus x plus y plus 2, equal to, and RHS, collect the real part, 2x minus y plus 3 plus I into imaginary part, 2y plus 2. Okay, equating the real and the imaginary part in LHS and RHS. Okay, appa real part, what is the value? 3x minus 2y plus 5. Here real part 2x minus y plus 3. LHS go to that side, RHS go to that side. Now 3x minus 2y plus 5, change the sign, simplify, we get x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, next equating the imaginary part, minus x plus y plus 2. Next 2y plus 2. Now RHS go to that side, minus x plus y plus 2 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, we get minus x plus y minus 2y minus y equal to 0. Now second equation I will take. Write the second equation as it is. First equation, right, simplify using elimination method. Minus x plus x cancel, and minus y minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 go to that side, minus 2, minus minus cancel, divided by 2, y equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Next we want to find x. Substitute y equal to 1 in second equation. Y equal to 1 in 2, minus x minus 1 equal to 0, minus 1 go to that side, plus 1. That is x equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1. We get the answer. Thank you, students.